So, ma'am, during my training, I came across one very important case that kind of changed my thought process. So, there was this patient with carcinoma, cancer of the larynx, that is the voice box. So, after it was removed, the patient was in a lot of mental kind of a distress naturally because of such a huge surgery. But there was another very important reason. He was a singer, he was a
Mhm.
vocalist, so
Mhm.
he lost the only thing that he could earn from.
Mhm.
So I remember there was some person, like there's a pharyngeal voice, there's a device which you can put here and have a robotic kind of a voice. So that we gave him, and then he started speaking with that, then he started singing with that. So he was so thrilled, so happy that he could
Mhm.
suddenly sing now. And
Mhm.
then everyone else also started singing with him who was there. So
Mhm.
then I realized, and he then, the healing went on much faster after that. And I mean, so I realized that how important music is,
Mhm.
because like I know that for my own self that music is so important, but how it can be corroborated into the surgical field, the medical field.
Mhm.
Similarly, ma'am, like you're the professor and the head of department for biochemistry. You've done a PhD in that subject as well. Ma'am, what was the motivation and how come you have indulged so much into music, and especially into music therapy, and how has that taken an impact in your life?
Actually, Dr. Surya, it was a wonderful change in my life, and I feel that without losing my body, I have taken another birth. And the most precious thing that changed was entering into music.
I know.
So I was like, I used to cry a lot for my mother when I lost her in 2000. And for many years, I was not able to, come back to myself. So one day, I entered into music with Sir Sanjeev Chauhanji in Panchkula. And he is a vocalist and very well known music director. And I started learning from him, and I gave some points to that fellow to convert them into song. And you won't believe that I started, feeling so strengthened. I was like, I was totally changed person. So I wrote a poem on my mother, and then we converted into a song. Then in the meantime, I also started learning, and that was a big change. And I thought that it's the best therapy if a person
Absolutely.
is, taking up this as a healer.
Absolutely.
So when I we prepared that song, now it has become my mother's chalisa. जैसे हनुमान चालीसा होता है वैसे माँ चालीसा. So you feel so comfortable that as if you are talking to her, and it is not the words only, it is the music that gave life to those words, and it is the music that gave me that inspiration that yes, it has a therapeutic value. So I was the first as a subject of music
Wonderful.
therapy. And then when I started looking for music therapy in internet, I came to know that yes, although we know it, we know from the ages of Tansen, and they have been healing with their music, many people,
Mm.
and even Akbar's daughter.
In
And
Western countries, ma'am, even music therapy is a field.
yeah,
They have a specialist consultant for music therapy who's been
exactly.
referred the
So
cases every now and
exactly,
then.
so you have just given example of your patient.
Yes, ma'am.
So then I felt that it is one of the best thing in life, and we are losing it. We are losing our culture. We are losing when the student enters from school, where they are doing prayers every morning, and
Yes.
when they come to the
Very
professional
important.
colleges, they don't even think of having that reciting that prayer in the
Prayers.
morning. And then they change their lives because they are not having that musical part in their life in the morning. No, so that has a very good impact on everybody in everyday life, because it gives you so much of cool, so much of patience. You won't believe that
Peace,
you
patience, yeah.
become very patient in your everyday
Every life.
activity.
Absolutely.
You know? So
So, well, I feel that music is an integral part of my life, to be very honest. As much as surgery is, so is
yeah,
music.
so we have been enjoying your
Yes.
guitar sessions, and
Thank you, ma'am.
you have a very good voice, and
Thank you, ma'am.
I think this is the best thing we have in our
I
life,
know, ma'am.
apart from our day-to-day activities
Absolutely.
and apart from our profession,
And
that
ma'am does
keeps
play
us
the harmonium and she sings very beautifully.
it's all because the time gave me this opportunity
Nee, ma'am, absolutely. There
to
is no age limit
feel
for
that,
music.
yeah.
Anytime.
Yeah, I started learning at the age of 45.
Wonderful.
So
That's
it is
another
there
huge
is,
motivation
yeah,
for
yeah.
anyone who's listening to this.
So the age doesn't matter here.
Absolutely.
It's like a medicine. So 20 minutes of music a day can keep a doctor away. I would
Yeah,
say that
absolutely.
it's a wonderful thing. Everybody
It,
should
yes, ma'am.
enter
Absolutely.
into.
Thank you so much.